Hi everyone, welcome on CryptoTuber channel. CryptoTuber will tell you today about RoyalQ installation. For this, you have to open Play Store in your mobile and search RoyalQ, RoyalQ, and after this you will get this type of sign. You just need to install this app. Once you finish the installation, open the app and you will get this kind of interface. First of all, you have to register on RoyalQ. After you click on register now, you will get this kind of interface. You have to select your country where you live in. Like I have selected India here, and after that you have to enter your email ID. As you can see on the screen, I am entering cryptoroboroyal@gmail.com. You can enter yours. After you enter the email ID, you have to choose a strong password. In the next column, you have to re-enter the password which you have chosen. In the very next column, you will get verification code column. The email ID which you have provided here, you will get a code on that email ID. Once you receive the code, you have to enter that code here, and in the last column, which is very important, is your invitation code. Invitation code, as you can see on the screen, referral code for RoyalQ CE3WP, that you can fill here. Remember, if you use this code CE3WP in RoyalQ installation, you will get support in future as well. Now click on register button. After this, you will see this puzzle. Solve it easily, and now you have to log in. The first step of RoyalQ installation is complete. Now you will get this kind of interface once you logged in. In my next videos, I will be telling you about detailed RoyalQ app features. In the right corner of the bottom, you can see mine icon where you can change your personal information. There you can change your nickname, like I kept my nickname Robo112. For making money through RoyalQ app, you have to install Binance app. Even that I will be telling you in my next video. By the time, just subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video.